Ted never expected to become part of the situation, but everything changes when he takes Holly's medication and starts feeling the same unstable symptom she has been struggling with. Their connection is too strong to ignore, and it immediately raises a suspicion in his mind. He decides to look deeper instead of staying silent. As he checks the medication, the truth becomes clear. It is not a normal supplement, but a psychiatric drug. That discovery leads him straight to one person. Sophia is the only one he believes capable of doing something like this. Without hesitation, Ted confronts her. His anger is obvious, and he demands answer. Sophia tries to defend herself at first, then quickly shifts to panic. She begs for forgiveness, hoping to calm him down, but Ted has already made up his mind. For him, this is not just a mistake, it is a betrayal that caused real harm. He makes it clear that she will face consequences. This time, there is no escape through lies or manipulation. Ted takes action immediately by calling the police. The situation escalates quickly as officers arrive and take Sophia into custody. For a moment, it seems like justice has finally been served. Sophia, who once controlled everything, is now the one losing control. But even in that moment, there is a sense that this may not be the end. Sophia is known for being clever and unpredictable. Being arrested does not guarantee she will stay down for long. Someone like her always looks for a way out, whether through manipulation, connections, or careful planning. Her fear is real, but so is her determination to survive. If there is any weakness in the system, she will find it. And if she manages to escape, the danger could return even stronger than before. Now the question shifts again. Death may have won this round, but the bigger question remains. Can this victory last? Do you think Sophia will stay behind bars, or will she find a way to escape and come back even more dangerous?